All right, here we have a couple brand new Comfort-Aire central air conditioners. They are straight cool units, 4 blades. Yeah, they do have LG scrolls. 2021 4-ton. And 2021 5-ton. And we got 3 more right here. So these all have LG scrolls. Yeah, this one's a 5-ton, so I guess that one over there must have also been a 5-ton. But these are at a brand new building. Some of the first Comfort-Aire units I've seen. I've seen a couple like this, but it's been a while. Never filmed one before. Interlink family. So there's 5 Comfort-Aire central air conditioners.